I am ready to answer your questions.
Henry Uri, DZRH.
Mr. President, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Magandang gabi.
First question po, after 13 days na maitalaga si Vice President Leni Robredo as ICAD Vice Chair, kumusta po yung assessment ninyo sa kanya? Masaya po ba kayo o tatanggalin na po ninyo siya?
Kindly sit down.
Thank you po.
Okay. Because it should take a little bit longer to answer. You know, she had so many qualms, complaints about the drug war. And probably she wants to know why persons are killed and why we are being blamed for such deaths. We kept on